As the boats set sail, the adventure of lobster and king crab fishermen begins. The stories of fishing have been passed down through generations, each journey carrying grand dreams of prosperity. Today, we will explore the lives of fishermen in the U.S., brave souls who face the ocean to harvest billions of lobsters and crabs. Lobsters, solitary creatures with a strong territorial nature, typically reside on the ocean floor. They are most abundant in the Northwest Atlantic, from Maine to New Jersey, at depths reaching up to 2,300 feet. It takes lobsters about 5 to 7 years to reach legal harvesting size. Each day, fishermen can pull up 250 to 300 traps, yielding up to 800 to 900 pounds of lobster. Over the past century, the lobster fishing industry has undergone significant changes in equipment, regulations, and fishing methods. Notably, while lobsters were once considered poor man's food, in the early 20th century, they have now become a luxury delicacy enjoyed by the affluent. A major shift has been the increasing demand for live lobsters. Processors quickly responded, putting pressure on fishermen to handle lobsters right on the boat to ensure freshness. A fisherman's day begins at 3 a.m., preparing bait and heading out to sea to find spots where lobsters are likely to gather. The traps, usually made of wire mesh or wood, are baited with fish to attract the lobsters. Each trap is designed for easy entry, a difficult escape, with small holes to protect juvenile lobsters. After letting the trap sit for 2 to 3 days, fishermen return to check them, hauling them onto the boat with a hydraulic pulley system. Once the traps are aboard, lobsters are sorted, and any below the minimum size are released back into the sea. The goal is not just to catch lobsters, but to ensure the sustainability of this resource for future generations. King crabs are equally fascinating. To catch these giants, fishermen use heavy traps weighing 600 to 800 pounds, with herring and cod as bait. These traps are marked at the surface with buoys for easy retrieval. After 1 to 2 days, the moment of truth arrives when fishermen pull the traps up, sorting through their catch and releasing any that do not meet size requirements. The life of fishermen not only provides income but also connects them deeply with the sea. From the time lobsters and king crabs are caught to when they reach your dinner table, it's a long journey filled with dedication and effort from these courageous individuals. The journey of lobster and king crab fishermen. In the lush green fields, small shrimp ponds become a vital source of income for many farmers. Shrimp farming has transformed from small-scale operations into a global industry worth $68.4 billion. Farmed shrimp account for 55% of global production, primarily concentrated in Asia. With technological advancements, farmers are raising shrimp at higher densities, increasing yields. Before juvenile shrimp are released into the ponds, farmers must ensure optimal water quality, controlling pH and oxygen levels to maximize growth. Shrimp are fed a high-protein diet in pellet form, consisting of fish meal and sardine meal. Every day, farmers start early in the morning, checking the pond conditions to ensure the shrimp are thriving. During the harvest season, the workload increases significantly. Shrimp are harvested quickly and transported immediately to processing facilities to guarantee the highest quality. The processing of shrimp is carried out swiftly and carefully. Shrimp are washed, sorted, and packaged for export. Each step requires precision, from maintaining the proper temperature to preventing damage during transport. Alongside these challenges, such as diseases and fluctuating market prices, farmers continuously strive to improve their production processes. The combination of traditional experience and modern technology creates a sustainable production chain, contributing to local economic development and environmental protection. In this journey, from lobster and king crab fishermen to shrimp farmers, each person plays a role in a larger story of connection between humanity and the ocean. They are not just seekers of fortune, they are custodians of precious resources for future generations. The journey of king crab fisherman. As dawn breaks over the ocean, the boat sets sail, embarking on an arduous journey to catch the majestic king crab. This adventure, steeped in tradition and danger, is more than just a livelihood. It's a way of life passed down through generations. King crabs, known for their impressive size and unique flavor, dwell in the frigid waters of the North Pacific. Fishermen utilize specially designed traps, heavy and sturdy, to withstand the harsh conditions at sea. Each trap is strategically placed in areas where crabs are known to congregate, marked by bright buoys for easy retrieval. Fishermen typically load between 150 to 300 traps onto their vessels, often weighing between 600 to 800 pounds each. They bait these traps with herring or cod, allowing them to rest on the ocean floor for 1 to 2 days. The excitement builds as they return to pull up the traps, each one a mystery waiting to be unveiled. As the traps surface, fishermen eagerly sort through their catch, keeping only the crabs that meet the legal size requirements. Those under the minimum size are released back into the ocean to ensure the sustainability of the crab population. The fishermen must work quickly, as time is of the essence. The crabs need to be kept alive and in optimal conditions until they reach the processing facility. This pursuit is not without peril. The harsh elements and unpredictable waters present constant challenges, and the death rate for king crab fishermen is significantly higher than that of many other professions. Fishermen are well aware of the risks, including drowning and hypothermia, yet their passion for the sea and the rewards it offers drive them to brave the dangers. Once the crabs are safely aboard, they are transported in oxygenated tanks to maintain their freshness. The journey continues as they are prepared for sale, often shipped worldwide, bringing the taste of the ocean to tables across the globe. The life of a king crab fisherman is a testament to resilience and tradition. Each catch represents not just a financial reward, but a deep connection to the ocean and the legacy of those who came before them. Through their hard work and dedication, they ensure that this vital resource remains for future generations, preserving the rich heritage of crab fishing in the process.